how to make Afghan cream roll. This video was requested by you guys, so I decided to share this recipe, especially in this time because Eid is right around the corner and it is the best treat for Eid or any other occasion. This recipe is really fun and short and sweet to make, so let's just jump to the ingredients and see what we have here. Icing sugar. We need thick cream. So here I did a small DIY. I made this tool myself, which was really fun. At the same time, it was like a arm workout for me. For this recipe, we need this tool, of course. I didn't have at home, so I made it myself. I had this extra material in the basement, so I just went and I used my husband's hacksaw and I cut this down, and this is beautiful as well. So just be sure, if you try this at home, make sure to cut them in a way that they're not too sharp, so you don't cut yourself. So other than that, it came out really nice and I love the gold color, so it's beautiful. But also, if you have a thicker pipe at home, so use that one, because whatever I had at home, I just used that. So if you want more cream, you can have the thicker pipe, and that way you can wrap around your puff pastry, so you can fill it up as much as you want, and it's gonna turn out really good. Also, you can buy it from stores, so it is your choice to make it at home, and you can also buy it. For the next ingredient, we need puff pastry. This one is store-bought, but also you can make your own dough. For the garnishing, we need a crushed pistachio. Also for this recipe, I am bringing a little twist to it, so I will add a little bit of food coloring, which will give it a little touch of pink, so it will be really beautiful. Alright, for the next ingredient, I will add a bit of vanilla extract. So let's get to the recipe and let's make the cream rolls. Alright, so we are going to make the dough first. So just make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And also we're going to bake this for 35 minutes to 40 minutes. So I have my puff pastry dough right here. So I am just going to flatten it out because we're gonna use our tool, and this is really thick. So once you flatten out the dough, we're just gonna use our pizza slicer, and we're gonna cut them in really, really thin slices, like so. Exactly like that. So we're just going to grease the pipes a bit. And then we're just gonna roll this around. So this is the perfect shape that we need. We're going to make few of these and bake them. So I have a small tip for you guys. If you do not have any pipes at home, you can absolutely make your own, which is so easy. So I'll show you guys how to make it. You can use your foil, and it's so easy to roll it up and make your own pipe. So let's just do that. There we go. It is so simple. So maybe just you want to grease it up before putting the puff pastry. And we're gonna do the same. Just twist it, round it. There you go. Very simple. Alright, so we're gonna bake these for 35 minutes to 40 minutes for 350 degrees, and we're gonna be back to show you the rest of the recipe. So while the puff pastry is baking, we are going to make the fresh cream. So I am using my stand mixer, and I will add the 1 liter of heavy cream. We're just gonna lock this and we're going to mix it. Alright, so it's halfway done, and I'm going to add the rest of ingredient that I have here. But before that, a small tip for you guys. I put an ice pack here, so that's how it's gonna keep it cool and the process will be faster. So now we are going to add 4 spoons of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm adding a bit of food coloring. Perfect. So this is how we want it. It is ready, and we're gonna leave it in the fridge until the puff pastries cool down, and we're gonna fill them up. So these are cooled off and they look really beautiful. So I'm just gonna take them off from the rods. And the trick is to let them really cool off because it's really easy to remove them. My piping is ready. I love the color of the cream. It's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna take one and I'm going to fill it up. Perfect. It's really beautiful. It's nice and pink. so they are all filled up with fresh cream and they look really beautiful. I love the pinkish color. It's really nice. So what I'm gonna do is just take some icing sugar and we're just gonna sift it around. Perfect, so we have our icing sugar on top and we are going to garnish it with some pistachio and we're done. I hope you guys all enjoyed this fun video. It was really amazing to make this. It is super simple and it is the best treat for Eid. So if you guys try this recipe out, please do tag me at Sahar's Life 1. I love to see your recipes as well, your pictures. I want to take the chance and wish you all a very happy Eid. I hope you guys all enjoyed this Eid with all your friends and family. Thank you for tuning in. Until next video, bye bye.